In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an invoice template in Freshbooks. If you're ready to streamline your invoicing process and give it a personal touch, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through these simple steps to ensure your invoices reflect your brand perfectly every time. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section. This is your starting point, where Freshbooks collects all your invoicing activities in one convenient spot. Once you're there, locate and click on the button labeled either Create Invoice or New Invoice. This is where the magic of customization and personalization begins. As you enter the edit mode of your new invoice, you'll want to focus your attention on the Settings or Customize section. This area is where you can tailor your invoice to suit your business aesthetics and needs. Don't worry if you're not sure where to find this immediately. It's an intuitive part of the editing interface designed to enhance your user experience. Now, let's explore the fun part, personalizing your invoice. Within this customization menu, you have a variety of options to play around with. Select a different template if the current one doesn't fit your style. Remember, this is your opportunity to stand out, so make sure you choose a template that aligns with your brand. You can also update your logo or banner, ensuring they represent your business and catch the eye of your clients. And while you're at it, don't forget to choose a color scheme and font that complements your brand's image. These tweaks might seem minor, but they can significantly impact the professionalism and perception of your invoices. Once you're satisfied with all the choices you've made, look for the Save or Done button within this customization menu. Clicking this is crucial as it locks in all your changes, ensuring they're applied not just to the current invoice, but to all subsequent ones as well. This efficient update eliminates the hassle of repeating the personalization process every time you create a new invoice. To wrap things up, any modifications you make now become the new default for future invoices. This not only saves time, but also maintains consistency, which is key for branding. By following these steps, you're setting up a system that keeps your invoicing seamless and customized to your unique preferences. So, that's it. Simple, right? You've now equipped your invoicing system with a fresh, personalized template that speaks to who you are as a business. Let's keep your operations smooth and your clients impressed with professionally styled invoices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you bring a touch of your brand to every invoice you send.